So after watching the following videos, you must have realized that these engineers who are behind developing these apps, they are no longer used by middle management left, right and center. So previously what used to happen, these engineers used to be getting a fat pay and these management people used to say, do as I say because you are under me. This is what used to happen in the previous era. But right now, these engineers have become entrepreneurial. They are taking charge of their business. They are functioning like CEOs. That's the change in trend. Wherever they are poking their fingers, it's becoming digital. Let's say Samsung. Samsung has various appliances like refrigerator, ovens and so many other appliances it has, washing machine and all these things it has under its brand umbrella. A software engineer comes, pokes his finger and suddenly they are part of a cloud. And this is what IoT stands for, Internet of Things, and it's becoming a booming thing at the moment. So how is it happening when engineers are beginning to take charge? So this is what you need to observe. Like let's say an engineer is becoming a product extender and a reseller as well. You know how it's happening? See, if you have observed, using OYO app or using a PhonePe app, you can still book an Uber. You can still book an Uber ride using those apps. They are actually becoming a product extender and a reseller to that particular company named Uber. So it's all about tie-ups and becoming product extenders so that everybody gets a cut in the value chain. And this is what engineers are doing with their IT skills. So students, if you have observed from the beginning of the class till now, so if you observe students, most of the e-business models are Uberizing their workflow. What do I mean by saying Uberizing? What does Uber do? It connects the drivers and the consumers. Yes, it connects the drivers and the consumers. It acts like a IT middleman between the drivers and the consumers. And how are the network effects happening? More number of drivers, more number of consumers will join the Uber party. If more number of consumers are there and the remaining drivers will be like, oh God, Uber has a lot of subscribers, let me join the Uber bandwagon. If more number of drivers are there and this particular population will also increase. So both of them are actually complementing each other. Both of them are driving the network effects. So with Uber, it is very clearly visible. So with other business models, you need to see how it is getting Uberized. So all these e-commerce companies like Amazon, eBay and Alibaba, they are the ones who started Uberizing their business models even before Uber has come. So this is the common pattern that all of you need to watch out. So with this, I would like to end this module, this particular digital business module. So the ultimate moral of the story is to have an eagle's view of your organization. So this particular newfound mentality has to become a habit. You should start having eagle's view, not just with respect to FRP modules. This should become a habit. You need to start having eagle's view in all other subjects that you're studying. It should become like a virus and it should infect other subjects as well. So I really hope that this newfound mentality that you have inculcated becomes a habit. It can only become a habit through your effort. Okay? Thank you so much.